Teacher, there is no screen. Good evening. Good evening.
Welcome back to our online science class. I'm teacher, your science teacher. Okay. Okay, tell me what day is today? Today is Monday or Tuesday? Where are you?
Tuesday.
Yes, Tuesday. And what the date? Thank you, Rice. What the date?
November
2021. Yes.
November 11, 2021. October.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay.
November.
May Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Please grade 2 follow our online classroom rules. Be on time, be prepared, turn off your camera, mute your mic, raise your hand to talk or to ask your teacher. Let's enjoy the new kind of learning. Today, inshallah, we will revise on listen, test and analyze material, okay? Test and analyze material, okay? And analyze material. Let's start. I will revise quickly and then you will participate with me, okay? In this lesson, we learned that number one, the shape of the material can change, okay? Can change by different ways. The shape of the material can change. Number two, that if you want to make a boat, how you can make a boat? First, ask yourself what the property of this material. So we need a material doesn't absorb the water to help the boat to float up, okay? Like the plastic bottle, but paper now cannot use because the paper absorb the water, okay? So first, when you make any new something, any object, so first ask yourself, number one, how you will use this object, and number two, what the property of the material you need to make this object, okay? Let's start by the bridges, okay? Bridges used to hold, how it used to hold heavy trucks, used to hold heavy trucks and cars. So used to hold heavy trucks and cars. Number two, so what the property of the material we need to build this bridge? We need a strong material. We need a strong material, okay? So it will be able to withstand great force. So can we use a yarn? Of course, no, but can we use this concrete, okay? Can we use this concrete, okay? And
my dad is not here. Is go.
okay, honey. So concrete is strong enough to hold trucks. Concrete is strong enough to hold trucks. If we want to make a cloth, so we need this cloth allow you to move easily, okay? Like, so we need this cloth to be flexible with a flexible property, How? It's bend you, flexible means it bends as you move. It bends as you move. When you move on the right side, it will bend with you. Left side, bend with you, okay? Up and down, it will bend with you, okay? So we need a cotton material. It's a flexible material and allow you to move easily, okay? What about our raincoats? If you want to make a raincoat, so must be this raincoats keep you dry, okay? So can we use a cotton? Of course no, we must use a plastic because plastic doesn't absorb the water. But if you use the cotton, now you could get wet, okay? You could get wet, okay? And now if you want to make a table, what about the table? How we use to hold heavy material, okay? So we need what the property of the materials we need strong material, hard material, sturdy material, okay? If you need to make chair. Okay, what about this chair? We will sit on this chair, so we need this legs of the chair must be strong to can sit safely. Okay, yeah. Now if you want to make a desk, what the property of the material? You need to make this desk. First you use the desk to hold books, so we need a strong material. We need strong material also to make this desk. Okay, now if you want to make this. وعليكم السلام. Keep yourself mute, honey.
Teacher Ali Abdullah, his name 585.
Okay, sorry. If you need to make a couch, so this couch held by hard material here, held by hard material, and inside with soft material. Okay, we will see.
I like the bed. The bed he had this leg.
Great, thank you so much. The same like the bed. Also the bed held by hard material and soft inside. Okay, so now if you want to make a sailboat, what about this sailboat? First, we can use this sailboat to travel in the ocean, in the deep sea, and bring something to other countries. Okay, so this sailboat must be first, this sail must form a curved shape on the wind, curved shape on the wind. Number two, the bottom or this base of the boat must be from a material. This material doesn't absorb the water, to help this boat to float, okay? Okay, about the sailboat and about all of this. Listen, let me stop